Let's take a quick tour to learn the key aspects of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and working in a dashboard from your browser. Default dashboards for roles granted to you are listed in the My Cockpit section. Using dashboards, you can create a personalized experience for your role, project, or task using dashboards you either create from new or customize from a template. Here we're showing the 3D Creator dashboard. The setup and use applies for any other role, such as 3DEXPERIENCE Solidworks, Collaborative Designer for Solidworks, or even 3D Sculptor. Each dashboard has tabs that contain widgets. On the first tab of the 3D Creator dashboard, you'll see widgets that contain the Welcome page and XDesign app. The Content tab contains widgets used to manage content. The Tasks tab shows your collaborative tasks. And finally, the Communities tab shows your own 3D Swim communities. You can add a new tab by clicking the plus sign. And now on this new tab, you can create dashboard widgets using your browser-based apps. Apps are located in the Compass menu and organized by role. The My Apps section shows a combined list of all the apps from roles that you have been granted. Apps that show a small arrow in the top right can be dragged and dropped into a dashboard tab to be used as a widget. Widgets can be repositioned or resized to your preference. Using Fit expands all widgets in a tab to fit the tab and create a cleaner view. To find your saved content, you can use the Search tool on the top bar. Search results are instantly displayed and can be dragged and dropped into a widget such as 3D Play, or even a modeling app like XDesign. Select your user icon to access your profile information or set preferences. Preferences allow you to set the language and change your mouse control setting. The notification bell keeps you up to date with all happenings on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, from roles granted to you, messages received, access requests, and more. And if you need guidance, support, or more information, the Help menu is always there for you.